Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing videos using AI with no editing experience, using a tool called Pictory AI. So let's get started. First, go to the Pictory website and create your account. You can sign up using your email or Google account. Once you log in, you'll see multiple options like script to video, blog to video, and edit video using text. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend choosing the script to video option. Now, simply copy and paste your script into the editor. This can be a YouTube script, a blog post, or even just an idea you want to turn into a video. After that, click on Proceed. Pictory AI will automatically break your script into scenes and add relevant visuals, video clips, and text for each part. This is where the magic happens. Next, you can customize your video. You can change the visuals, edit the text, add background music, and even select an AI voiceover. There are many voice options available, so you can pick the one that best fits your content style. You can also upload your own voice if you want a more personal touch. Once everything looks good, click on Preview to watch your video. Make sure everything is smooth and matches your idea. Finally, click on Download, and your video will be ready to upload on YouTube or any other platform. Here's a quick pro tip. Keep your script short, clear, and engaging to hold your audience's attention and improve watch time. And that's it. Creating videos with AI has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.